racer hat is on.
Everyone on Team Camaro is about to find out if our week's worth of hard work will pay off. Everything checks out. It's time to oil up the car and turn the key.
The Challenger is getting really close to being done. Daryl is working like a madman to get everything finished. When it comes to forced induction, you do not want any restriction on the front of the turbo or the supercharger, and that's why we picked up a K&N intake. Perfect. Screw the Mustang and the Camaro. They're a bunch of wusses.
We review data, we add some more things, and that all results in big horsepower.